Al-Mahdi, as in Sahih Muslim you find this hadith, he will come out, he will appear in Mecca, and the scholars will identify him with the descriptions that the Prophet ﷺ placed about him. There are certain features about him: wide forehead, sharp eyes, big sharp eyes, a thin nose which is slightly hooked on the top. Al-Mahdi, they know his other signs. Some of his other signs are the following, so that no one can think Al-Mahdi is someone else. He has particular signs. They are all authentic narrations from the Prophet ﷺ. You'll find them in Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim and other Sihah, the authenticated hadiths. There will be a group of Arabs from within the Jazira al-Arabiya, from within the Arabian Peninsula, somewhere near Mecca. They will hear about the Mahdi and they will not agree with him. They'll say he is not the real one. And they will come